Morning everyone, this is Frank. Oh, I'm out here freezing my butt off. I had to change the oil in this skid steer. You see it there. I just started it. So I got the oil filter off. It was a pain in the butt. It's way down inside there. And my big mitts, they're like, wow. You know? It's a little chilly out here. Old stove is. She's billowing some smoke. So I'm gonna get with this here. Yeah. Let's see, where can I put you? I don't know. Right here, I guess. It's a pain in the backside to get at it. I don't know if I get my hand back down in there. Well, if I set it here and I get my hand down in there, I don't know. Way down in there. It's a real pain in the butt. So, come on. Can't get the camera down in there. And let's see. I have to shorten this thing up, I guess. In the butt. Yeah, maybe that'll do it. Let's see if I can get my hand down in there. Come on, get on there. Uh-oh, I'm losing it. I lost it. Son of a gun. How the heck? I don't think I can put my hand down in there. Alright. No. Come on. Just start for me, that's all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Now I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh man, oh man. What a time. Oop, I think I got it. Oop. I'm getting magnet down when I get on my filter. Oh, come on. Come on. You went out there? No. I don't do this, but I guess I got to. The only thing about these things. I think that's the way it goes. I hope it don't fall on my head. Well, there's a deer right down in there. Alright, I got it. Come on. Oh boy. I don't know. Well, let's see if I get down in there. Oh man. They don't give you no room. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh man. Ouch, ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Ooh, that was hard. Ooh, that hurt me. Oh, man. I got it down in there. Huh? It's a pain right in the backside. Alright. Give it. You can see it's right there, but it just don't give you no room. I just gotta give it a little twist here. Get on there. Come on. Come on. Ooh, yeah, come on. Get on there. Come on. Oh, they put these things in the stupidest places. They got a bracket that's right. Come on, where the hell are you? I got a stupid bracket right in the way. I should get my hand in there. you gotta be a pain right in my ass? Ooh-wee. Ooh. There we go. Alright. Yeah. I must have cut my arm 100 freaking times. So good. There. We got that baby. Man, man, man. Look at my arm. Just sticking it down in that little hole down there just to put that filter in down there. What a pain right in the backside. So, I gotta get down onto here. Ooh, ooh. I gotta climb under here. Oh heck! I gotta put the filter back, or the drain plug back in. Get on there. Ooh. Come on, there we go. Well. Right here. Oh man. All right. We got that. Kind of cold doing this, but that's okay. Over here. I got this plate. This plate here. See, I go back up under here. This way. There we go. So stay with me here and I'll get to this. Oh, no. Come on. One more. Oops. Oh. There we go. Ooh, we had here. Come on. There we go. Come on. You gonna freak with me too? Is this it? No. It's a tape. There we go. It ain't nice staying up on the ground here. Doing this in the cold. I mean, I got a garage, but that's alright. It's a nice day. It ain't raining, it ain't snowing. There. Plate's on the bottom. That's good. Alright. I got one more thing I gotta do. And that's, hold on a minute. There we go. There. There we go. I got this little screw I gotta put in here, and if I don't lose that, I'll be good. Right in there. Come on. What you gotta do is start in there and I'll be good. And it's gonna give me a hard time. Watch. Always does. Come on. I know I'm gonna lose it and I'm gonna be pissed off. Well, I lost the washer, but I'll get that. Come on. Come on. Get right down there. Come on. I got it. I got it. I got it. Alright. Here we go again. Where the hell is it? Well, let me tack this back bolt up there. I'll just tighten this up a little bit. Put that there last time. I gotta get it in there. It was a pain in the ass taking it out. Putting it in is another one. Come on. Why you gotta be such a pain in the butt? Come on. Why you gotta be a pain right in the ass? Right there. Maybe. Come on. What the heck? There you go, man. Yeah. No. It's not like good. What the heck's wrong with this thing? It sucks you can't see down in there. What the heck? What the hell? What the hey? Is he up there? Too far maybe? Boy, they don't give you no room. I'll have to loosen that one back up, I guess. I don't know. Just for an oil change, what do you gotta go through? Pain in the butt. Yeah. Okay. Come on, start it now. Is that it? Must be. I think I got it now. Great. Thank you, thank you. I mean, for a little machine, I think they have a better situation here. You got so much junk going. I mean, for a small motor, you think you can get your hands in there. Ain't that awful? Nope. It fought me all the way out. Now it's gonna fight me all the way in. Come on. I should have turned it around the other way so the sun hit it. But that's okay. Come on. Slow going, but it's working. Yeah, she's tighten up now. That's good. Not too tight, Frank. You'll bust it off. And then I will be pissed off. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Good stuff. Now, get some oil in there. Come on. Now I'm using rotiller. 1540. Great stuff. Yeah, lots of that. Oh. Nice going, nice going. Oh, fought me to the end. She's coming. Got to change the oil, grease her up, get it ready for the storm. They say probably snow Saturday, I don't know, Sunday. We'll see. There you go. Good deal. There it is down in the ground. Let's see how much more I need. Alright. Now get in there. Alright, another quart. Alright. Much stuff, right? I don't like to overfill these little Kubota motors. More. I'm gonna get in there. I gotta compensate for the filter, but that shouldn't take much. Let it run for a little bit. Go. Good. And we're good now. I don't know. I think I overfilled it. I don't think so. Nope, she's right there on the button. Great. So, we'll start this up and let it run for a little bit. Good deal. So, we got that done. Let's see. myself 10 gallons of that stuff. So I'll let this run for a little bit. So, if you like that one, we'll have more. How many minutes? Yeah, well, we got a few. A little chilly out here. I might have to go inside here for a little bit. Get myself warmed up. Oh, there we go. So, people, if you enjoyed it, thumbs me up, subscribe, share. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 mark, and I'm doing real good at it. And I appreciate all the people that subscribed to me over the last year. Thank you very much. I'm proud of it. I'm proud of yous. I'll have more this year, hopefully, if nothing goes wrong. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And have a good day.